Good morning, YouTube. It's March the 31st and it's 11 AM in the United Kingdom. Thank you very much for tuning into my channel. First of all, what I'm going to be looking at today is the Nibiru question. I put quite a number of different videos on my channel in terms of some live, some taken from a few years ago, some taken fairly recently, and one in particular has stirred up a bit of a fuss in terms of I've spoken to people who are fairly well placed to give quite specific answers in terms of what actually happened in terms of the planetoid or the system that I caught once I was having a look at providing a sight of a planet by the sun. Now this one is taken from the solar eclipse on March the 20th, and it's taken from a place in Norway. And what I want you to do is have a look at this piece of information. Have a look at how it pans out. I do want you to have a look at what I believe is some type of small planetoid on the left-hand side of the sun. Quite obvious, in fact, as well, and quite obviously not a lens flare. I'm going to zoom into this for you now. Okay, and there she is. There's the planetoid. This small dot here. Looking at it here. Okay, if you go to the top, there's a few lens flares coming on the outside, but you can, they're quite obviously pink. And again in this area here. Okay, let's forward wind the video slightly, move it forward very slightly. Let's scroll it on and give you a better impression of what it is. It's obviously there. It's obviously some type of planetoid on the outside of the sun. Quite obviously there. Quite obviously a planetoid of some type. Up, around. I want you to all have a look at this. I want you to give me some idea of what you believe this to be. It can't be a lens flare based on the telescope that's being used in Norway. I'll give you a link to in the description about whereabouts this was taken from, and you can all look at it yourselves. You can all have a play with it, have a scroll round like I've done, and tell me what it is. Tell me what you think it is. The planets who are nearest to the sun in terms of our solar system, we've got obviously Venus, Mars, Uranus, and Mercury. And in terms of where this is situated from the Earth, from where we are, from Norway, none of these planets are visible in this within the solar eclipse day, or on this date. None of them would be visible. So what I need you to do is have a look at this and tell me what you think it is. Let me know what you think it is. I mean, I can scroll back a lot further to the point of there being absolutely no coverage there, and move it forward into the coverage, and you'll see it'll drop back into focus. This is obviously taken from a camera. It's obviously a live feed. Put the pause on there. Give you another zoom, and there you go. It's there. And then right until the end, that's forward, right up till the end point of the eclipse. We've gone slightly too far there. And you can see that shows you the full eclipse in motion. So have a good look at it. Tell me what you think. Let me know what you think about this obvious planet there, and tell me what you think that is. I'm fairly sure that it is a planet, although I can't identify it from our solar system. So I'm hoping we've got some better answers, some people who are a bit more learned in this scenario. But please let me know answers, all the comments. I'll try and answer all of your comments as much as I possibly can. Please get in touch with me if you have any pictures, any information on Nibiru, or any questions on Nibiru you'd like me to address. I do try to give you as much new information as possible. This is taken from the 20th of March 2015. Can't get much newer. It's only a few days ago, only a week or so ago. So thank you very much for tuning in. Thank you to all my subscribers. Thank you to everyone who takes part in terms of the conversations and comments. I'm pleased to hear any of them. The sarcastic, the funny, the stupid, the silly. All of the comments are appreciated, but thank you very much. And hopefully I'll see you